Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you one of my favorite videos to film. Luckily I get to do one about once a month, and that is the Redbird Vintage unboxing. So I've had this for like maybe 4 or 5 days sitting on my kitchen table and it's been beckoning me, but I haven't been able to get around to filming. So I'm very excited. I did not break down. I did not open it before now. I just did the scissors just now so I can, not mess with that while I'm on camera. But I have not looked inside of it. I stayed strong. So let's get into it. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's see what is in here. Again, if you've watched any of these unboxings, it's all kind of very nice, but similar to other boxes that you get. Okay. So you get a little handwritten note there. Thank you for your purchase. Hope you love your box. It's always nice to have that. And then you always get, if you can see that, yeah. It's always tied with a nice little like wine colored bow, and they always put a little miscellaneous thing on there. Sometimes it's a item that might not be perfect, might be missing a few stones or a miscellaneous earring or whatever. So let's see what this is today. So this is a earring, it looks like. Hold on, there we go. It's a clip-on earring. Interesting. Yeah, so it's just kind of a little dangly clip-on earring. It's like a white stone and then gold. So that's just, you could clip that on something. Obviously it's missing its mate, but that's just something they just throw in. Like, doesn't count towards your the total number of your items that you get in your box. It's just something that they include as a nice little gesture. So I always like that. All right, now let's get into the main event. Of course, you always get your little drawstring bag, which of course I keep all of these because they're great. All right, I gotta have like a feel around here. There's some like bigger bead stuff, it feels like. Okay, let's try one of the bigger bead stuff. Okay, interesting. All right, so I did not request this. Honestly, I think I requested 2 things, but I kind of like forgetting what I requested because like at the beginning of the month, they put out what you can request. I usually request at least 1 or 2 things, but then I forget and the whole month has gone by. I think I requested 2 things. We'll see if I get them because I don't remember, but I did not request this. So it's this long beaded necklace, mostly red, and it has some like frosted looking beads as well that kind of have like a green and red and white swirl underneath that frosted finish. So yeah, this is actually kind of cool. Like, I don't really wear like red jewelry, but I'm not mad about it. Like, it's something that I don't have, and I'm sure actually kind of like, honestly, I don't know if I would, my head's kind of big, so I don't know how many times I could wrap this, if I could wrap it once. But even so, that's cute. And if I don't figure out what to use it, I think I'm going to be saving the pieces that I don't love for a giveaway in the future once I get enough of them. For now, I only have like 1 item I think I would include in that, but stay tuned for that in the future. But yeah, I think that this is cool. Not something I would pick out for myself, but that's kind of one of the good things about these boxes. You get things you didn't know, that you'd use or that you like, so I'm not mad about that. Okay, what's this? Okay, I did not request this. This is a pin. And I really have like no vintage pins. Well, other than the ones you've seen here in the unboxing. So I have a very small collection. So I always like to get the, make that collection bigger. Okay, so this is interesting. It's kind of, the bottom, like the setting part is, and I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. It's kind of looks like a bouquet of sorts of, it's a light gold-y color. Kind of looks like 2 bouquets of green beads. So green's my favorite color, so I'm not mad about that. I definitely could find stuff for this to go on. Yeah, and it's just yeah, it's cute. I like that. And green is my favorite color, so I'm always happy to get green stuff for sure. All right, let's see this. Oh, something is already coming out of the packaging here. Let's see. So this looks like a necklace. Huh, let's see. Yes, it's a necklace. This is actually gorgeous. I really like this. Again, like the gold and the pearl look together. I don't know if I really thought about liking it. I don't know if I realized how much I liked it until I started getting this stuff. So it's a necklace with a thin gold chain, and then it has like these little embellishments down the chain. And then of course this big thing at the bottom with a teardrop kind of pearl in the middle. Kind of looks like a wreath with little tiny pearls and little diamonds, and then the big teardrop pearl in the middle. That's actually really pretty. I'm really happy with that. That is very fancy, and that's gorgeous. I'll definitely be wearing that. It's great. All right. So happy with that. Okay. What's this? This something looks like something I would have requested, but I did not request it. I think I would remember. So this is another pin, and it's just this gold bow. I love bows. I love bow stuff. So like I said, I was like, did I request this? But I don't think I did. They just, I guess, started getting to know me. So yeah, it's just this gold bow. It kind of looks like the fabric of the bow is supposed to be like a lace. So it's this kind of gold lace bow. Very simple. Not a bad size. Bigger than a quarter for sure. Yeah, that's really cute. And that's very me, and I did not request that. So that's kind of nice how they start getting to know everything that you're into. Oh, okay, interesting. So that necklace I just showed you with the teardrop pearl, that is part of a set. And so it comes with matching earrings. So, let me untangle them here. So these are just post regular old earrings, which is nice because I don't think I've gotten mostly like screw back or clip on. I haven't gotten a lot of post earrings. So, you know, those are, for me, I feel they're the most secure because my ears are pierced. So nice to have those. Yeah, and they're just kind of the same design as the main piece, the main bottom piece of the necklace. It has the big pearl teardrop and then like kind of like wreathy design around the outside. Those are really pretty. So yeah, these would be great together, separately. You know, those are really fancy and nice. Maybe I can have someplace to wear them someday. All right, I did request these. I'm 99% sure. My memory isn't what it used to be. Okay, these are another post back earrings. Yes, I did request these. And they are these very cute, oh my gosh, I love them. Like pinky mauve background set. So it's a cameo. It's a cameo set in like a gold setting, kind of frame with a little bow and a little pearl on the very top. Very small detail there. But yeah, and so it's like a mauve background and then the white cameo on top. Those are really cute. I think this is one thing that I did request. So yeah, that was kind of a quick unboxing, but those are all the pieces I got this month. I'm not even sure what my favorite thing was. I think it might be a toss-up between, oh, things are getting tangled up. Gotta be careful about that. I think it might be tossed between these earrings and then this beautiful golden pearl set. Yeah, that's actually really, really nice. So, and I got some surprises too. Like this might be a sleeper. We'll see. We'll see if I reach for it or if I have, you know, it goes with anything that I'm putting together there. So yeah, that was a good box, a good mix. This was definitely less. I think I only requested 2 things, so I wasn't expecting a lot of things that I requested. This was like more of a surprise box. That was really fun too. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which item here was your favorite. And that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.